Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to Digital DIY Guide, your go-to channel for all things digital. Today, I have an exciting tutorial for all you Instagram lovers out there. I'm going to show you how to save Instagram Reels to your gallery. So, let's dive right in. The first method is super easy. Simply open up your camera by swiping left, and it will take you to your story post and Reels. From here, go to the Reels section by tapping on it. Next, we need to access the settings for Reels. To do that, tap on the settings option located at the top left corner. Great! Now we're in the camera settings for Reels. Look for the option that says Save Reels to Device and make sure it is enabled. By enabling this option, any future Reels you publish will be automatically saved to your phone's gallery. Now let's say you have already posted a Reel and you want to save it to your gallery. No worries, I'll show you how to do that too. Alright, let's switch back to my profile for a moment. Here, you can see my Reels. Let's say I want to save this particular reel to my camera roll. To save the reel to your camera roll, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner of the reel. Now select the Save option and the reel will be saved to your camera roll. And there you have it. The reel is now saved in your camera roll for you to access anytime you want. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and now you can easily save your Instagram Reels to your gallery. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, I'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment down below. Make sure to turn on the bell notification so you never miss an update from Digital DIY Guide. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing digital DIY guides like this one. Thanks for watching and happy saving. See you in the next video.